today's video we've got some really incredible inventions for anybody that live in small apartments or, when the in-laws come to visit unexpectedly. In this first clip we look at an absolutely stunning design from a company in Australia. Instead of having your usual vertical sliding doors, this company has taken a huge window and reimagined and redesigned it into a vertical sliding door. It completely connects the outside to the inside. This invention looks absolutely stunning, and of course it can also very easily be manually operated. Just look at what beautiful facade it creates when you've got a few of these sliding doors in a row. It completely connects the inside and the outside. This seems to be the perfect solution for anybody that wants to connect the indoors to the outdoors. This company was able to design a system that can transform a space with a touch of a button, and it creates an extra room on demand. They have created a dynamic and responsive furniture system that reimagines the way we live in our spaces. This studio system multiplies the efficiency and livability of your square footage by magically revealing and creating extra space. This furniture system adapts to your needs with a simple touch of a button or with the Ori mobile phone application. It even works with voice activation. This piece of furniture has also an obstacle detection system that can easily be stopped with just 2 fingers. And in case you have a loss of power, it will automatically switch to manual mode. This studio suite can easily be assembled on site, and the best part is the system itself is not permanently attached to the apartment. This company has even got a pocket closet system, basically creating a walk-in closet where you have minimal space. This Ori pocket closet system provides more storage but takes up less space. Not only does this system hold a flat screen TV, it even has a fold-out desk to create a perfect small working space. The internal shelf of this pocket system can be configured according to your needs and desires. This walk-in closet system is not only for bedrooms, but it can be created in any space. This Ori pocket closet system ships flat pack and can easily be assembled in just a few hours. I am sure this is a system that is desirable for anybody that's got a small living space. Here we're looking at a furniture design by Rolf Benz. This is a sofa or a lounge system that can be configured in many different ways. As you can see, many units are available and the possibilities are endless, and it's also available in many different colors. Now we're going to look at a couple of sleeper sofa systems by Luhanto Furniture. The first one we're going to look at is the Hampton Hybrid function, which opens the bed in 2 simple steps. This queen size unit is easily foldable back into a sofa. There is even plenty of storage space on the side for blankets and pillows. There is even this king size love seat sleeper available. And the next one we're going to have a look at is called the Elevated Bunk Bed Function System. This system folds out extremely easily and can fold out in less than a minute. You can see in this demonstration how easily it can fold up and close back to a normal sofa again. This closing seems so simple, it's almost as if it closes itself. In this clip we're going to look at a design by the Living Cube Furniture. At first glance this might just seem like a normal shelf with some sitting space on top, but it's so much more than that. The only requirements for installation of this system is of course an open wall space and a high enough ceiling. If your ceiling is high enough, this top surface area can even be used as a sleeping area. In this demonstration we can see how easily it can be assembled within a day with just 2 people. This system, as the one we looked at before, doesn't just offer shelving space, there's also enough space for a big flat screen television, and it's got a fold out desk for a small working space. Here we have a really clever table design for anybody that needs to work from home but doesn't have enough space for a dedicated office. The table simply folds open and you are ready to work away. When this table is closed down, it's even big enough for a small dining table. So this table is perfect to convert a small dining area into a small working office area when needed. Here we're looking at a really elegant and beautiful design to replace your existing hop extractor fan. With the touch of a button it reveals itself and it is extremely effective. This is the extension you need when things are starting to heat up in the kitchen. The lift mechanism can quietly and easily elevate and lower this downdraft after installation. It even has an easy to understand touch control panel. This smart ventilation system has an even built-in reminder to remind you when it's time for maintenance or replace the filters. The last product we're going to look at today is a really brilliant design to keep your kitchen countertops clutter-free. This is a heavy-duty, soft-closed mixer lift. This is the perfect tool to access and store heavy kitchen appliances. What's more, this product is even easy to self-install, and it can take a load up to 60 pounds. The lift can be attached to any custom designed shelf, allowing for unlimited customization. We've come to the end of another InnoVisionX video. If you like our videos, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the notification button, and then we'll see you in the next video.